What's up guys, we're back here with another video, and in this video we are going to be making a pen gun and teaching you how to make a pen gun. So let's go over here and I'll show you what you're going to need.
Redneck Savage in the house.
So in here to make a pen gun, you're going to need a pen, a Bic pen would work, or a pen like this. You're going to need a rubber band, which is pre-cut. Just cut it right in half, just like this. It really doesn't matter how you cut it, just cut it right in half. You're gonna need some tape, a knife, but I just used a knife to cut the rubber band, so you're not gonna need that anymore, so we'll put that over here. And pliers or something like that. So you take off the cap, then you grab this end and you just pull it out or twist it out. Then you take this end off of this, and you leave that there. You're not going to need those pieces, and then you can take this piece is usually the hardest piece that comes out. So usually what I like to do is just put it right at the end of where the blue stops, and then just put it there, and it'll push out a little bit, and you just grab it like that, and you're done. Then you got this. So then this goes in and out like this, slides in and out like nothing. Then you take the rubber band, and you're gonna take the rubber band and put it like this, right about here. And you're gonna take this and put it right about here. Right about here. So you have a little, so you pull just like that, and you're gonna just remember that spot. So then we're gonna take a piece of tape and we're gonna put it around that. Sorry, it's a little sticky. Oh my God, this tape sat outside today. It's hot too, so it's a little sticky. But make sure you have enough. So then to shoot it, you just slide this in like this. Make sure you grab it with the rubber band. And then we're going to see if we shoot that up. Ooh. So, there you go. It went in here. There's the entry hole right there. Entry. And then there's the exit. So, that'll be your pen gun for you. So that'll be the video for today. And I hope you guys enjoy, so have a nice one. Like and subscribe, and peace.